Now, everyone has to start somewhere in basketball, and not every one of you will be good at it. So, some of you guys' jump shots will look like this. Today, we are going to be learning how to have a good jump shot for beginners. Now, let's get started. You need the appropriate gear for basketball, and you need a breathable shirt like this, some basketball shorts and basketball shoes, of course with some socks. Now we need to be about 15 feet away from the hoop. We then need to get in a good stance for your feet, and your left or right leg, depending if you're left-handed or right-handed, should be a little bit in front, and your right foot should go a little bit over it, and it should go a little bit diagonal to the hoop. And then you'll need to have your hands right. We'll be using these as a guide. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna have something called your guide hand, and it will actually not be shooting with it, but just guiding the ball towards the hoop. Now we're gonna put our guide hand right here, where a whole bunch of lines are, and we're gonna put our other hand, our shooting hand, on the line where it is right here. You then need to put your arms in an angle where you could see it, but it will go up and forward like this. Okay. Now once you're in a comfortable stance, you will need to flick your wrist, and it should be going in. Now it should be looking like this. Now practicing is very important, and that's what you need to do. You will need to be practicing from 2 to 4 times a week, and it needs to be 15 minutes to an hour. Eventually, you'll have a good enough shot to be moving while doing it. That is called a fadeaway. I'll be demonstrating it right now. Now, I hope this guide helped you. And good luck on your practice out there. See ya.